to solving it by factorization method. So we solve by factorization. So we have 2x squared plus 7x plus 3 is equals to 0. Now the first thing we do, our first step, is to multiply the first term here with the second term here. That's the first step. So when we multiply 2x squared and plus 3 together, we're going to have plus 6x squared. Now the second step is look for factors of plus 6x squared. So please take note of the sign. This plus is very, very important. It can do or undo any solution we are trying to work towards. So this is positive 6x squared. So factors of 6 is what we are going to focus on first. Focus on factors of 6. So factors of plus 6x squared, we have plus 2 and plus 3. So we can see that when we multiply this together, that's give us plus 6. So we can also add x here. So we multiply plus 2x and plus 3x, we have to have plus 6x squared. Now the sum of the factors, when we add this together, we have plus 5. We continue looking for factors. We have plus x, and then we have plus 6x. We add it together, we have plus 7x. And also take note that since we have positive 6, we know that negative multiplying negative is equal to positive. That means minus 2x, when we multiply it with minus 3x, when our negative signs multiply, they give us plus here. So when we add them, when we multiply 2 and 3, it gives us 6, x and x squared. So minus is also a factor of plus 6x squared. So when we add this together, we are given a negative number, which is minus 5x. We also have minus x and minus 6x. We add it together, it gives you this. So note that it's very important to list all the factors. It's very important to list all the factors of a particular term we are looking for. So when we list the factors, we add them together to see what it gives us. So what I'm going to do is, the factors we have listed here, we look at this sum and say which sum out of this list of sums that we have from our factors will give us the middle term, which is plus 7. And when we look at it, plus x and plus 6x, when we add them together, when we add these two factors together, it gives us the middle term, plus 7. So we can just say, okay, we already have our factors here. 7x plus 3x equals 0. So what we do now with these two factors, since when we add them together, they will give us the middle term. So writing the middle term, we write the two factors, plus x and plus 6x. Then you have your plus 3, which is the last term, like that. Now, we are now going to factorize. And now by factorizing, we group them in twos. Well, we take these two, we factorize. We take these two, and factorize. Now to factorize, we look for what is common between these two terms in this bracket. So what is common here and here is x. So when x divide 2x squared, 2x is left. When x divide x, we have 1 left. Now what is common in these two, in this bracket? 6x and 3. 3 is common. So we use 3 to divide 6x, we have 2x. When 3 divide 3, we have plus 1 is equals to 0. So what we now do here is, since we have similar terms, like terms in brackets, we factorize that, then we have what is outside here, like this. So what this means is, either linear equation, we have x is equals to, which implies that x is equals to minus 1 over 2, or this here, the other in brackets, is equals to 0. When we solve this, we have x is equals to minus 3. So from our solution, our answer is x is equals to minus 1 over 3, 1 over 2, sorry, or minus